called up American Green Builders, and the owner, Mike, he picked up, and I got talking to him, and he scheduled an appointment to see the house. So I looked up 6 different contractors in total, and out of all 6, Mike was the one that seemed to be the most knowledgeable, and he kind of saw what I was seeing, and he was able to execute that vision. He did a 3D rendering, which we saw before we agreed to move forward. What we were envisioning was an open floor concept, and that actually took more work than we actually expected, but obviously Mike took care of it. When we were discussing how long it will take, he told us that it was going to take from beginning to end about 3 months. But he did it within 2 months, which was surprising. That was obviously a good thing for us. Now we're ready to move in. We got a lot of things done here. We got the floors done. This island, which took a lot of time to design. He took us to his vendors, helped us pick the countertop, helped us pick the appliances and things like that. So everything from start to finish, he was a one-stop shop for us. My wife and I had a difficult time choosing the design of the quartz. Mike helped us choose the pattern, which we love. Believe it or not, there was 2 walls right here that we want to remove. He actually had an engineer that he works with. He brought him over, took a look at it, got everything that they needed. He actually got all the permits, everything up in line like really quickly. And this was all through the pandemic. And during that time, the city was having difficulties actually processing the permits and stuff, but he got it done really quickly, which was, you know, a plus for us. For the bathroom, the ensuite, we actually did a gut job. Everything that was inside was taken out, thrown away. He helped us pick out the tubs. He helped us choose the tiles and also the marble that actually went in. He also helped us to choose the vinyl flooring, which is beautiful. It actually, you can't tell the difference between this vinyl and a real hardwood. We got to choose the tile for the master bathroom shower. What Mike did was he took the tiles and laid them on the floor, connected all of the veins so that it looks like one piece of big marble, and then he got our authorization, and then he put it right back up, and we have this beautiful shower. The workers, they were always prompt, always clean. They kept the job site spick and span. My experience with Mike was fantastic. From start to finish, he was always communicative. He always responded to my emails, my concerns, phone calls, even texts late at night when I would come and visit the house just to see how the work is going. It was important to us that we had a contractor that would listen to our concerns, because that's something that you hear horror stories about, but with him, it was good. And I would definitely recommend him to my friends and family. And I will probably use him again in the future if I have another renovation that I would like to get done. Thank you, Mike and American Green Builders, for making this renovation really smooth and easy for us.